Arrive in style with this 2009 Cadillac Quartz 3.6L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are all-speed traction control system, AM/FM stereo WCD MP3 player, auto-dimming interior rearview mirror, steering wheel audio climate controls, front to rear side curtain airbags, Twilight Sentinel automatic headlights, and front bucket leatherette seats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.